Some important questions of the chapter areas related to circles. 10 important questions. Now question number 1. Find the area of a sector of a circle whose radius is r and length of the arc is l. Find the area of sector. The formula of area of sector is theta by 360 degree into pi r square. थीटा बाई 360 डिग्री पाई आर स्क्वायर को कैसे लिख सकते हैं 2 पाई आर इंटू आर बाई 2. आर आर कैंसिल पाई आर स्क्वायर, तो पाई आर स्क्वायर को क्या लिख लेंगे 2 पाई आर इंटू आर बाई 2 एंड थीटा बाई 360 इंटू 2 पाई आर इज इक्वल टू द लेंथ ऑफ द आर्क इंटू आर बाई 2. तो 1/2 एल इंटू आर. एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर इक्वल टू 1/2 एल इंटू आर. Second question. If the perimeter of a semicircular protector is 36 cm, find its diameter. The perimeter of semicircular protector. This is the protector. The perimeter means diameter and pi r. The perimeter of a protector is pi r plus diameter. P equal to 36. Pi r means 22 by 7 into r plus diameter is 2r. r कॉमन लेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा 22 plus 7 to the 14 by 7. तो r equal 36 by 7 r. Here is 37. r equal to 7 into 36 by 36. Radius is 7 centimeter. Okay. Radius is equal to 7 centimeter. It means diameter equal to 2r. 2 into 7, 14 centimeter. Next question number 3. If the area of a sector of a circle is 5/18th of the area of that circle, the area of sector equal to the 5/18th of the area of the circle, then find the central angle of the sector. It means theta. Area of sector theta by 360 into pi r square equal to 5/18th of the area of the circle, 5 by pi r square. Area of sector equal to the 5/18th of the area of circle. Pi r square cancel. Theta equal to 5 into 360 degree by 18. 18 से कटेगा 20. 25 is 100 degree. The central angle equal to the 100 degree. Question number 4. In the given figure, 3 sections of a circle of radius 7 centimeter, making angles of 60 degree, 80 degree and 40 degree at the center, are shaded. Find the area of the shaded region. 3 sectors shade किए हुए हैं. इन तीनों sectors का area निकाल कर ऐड करना है. तो नंबर 1, the area of sector number 1 equal to theta 1 by 360 degree into pi r square. Radius is same. And A2 equal to second angle theta 2 by 360 degree into pi r square. And third area of sector equal to theta 3 by 360 degree into pi r square. So all the 3 sectors, area of all the 3 sectors, A1 plus A2 plus A3. Now taking pi r square common, theta 1 by 360 degree plus theta 2 360 degree and theta 3 by 360 degree. Pi r square, pi is 22 by 7, radius 7 and 1 by 360 is also common. Add 80 degree, 60 plus 40. 7 cancel. 154 by 360 into 180. 80 plus 60 140 plus 40 180. Cancel 2. The area of all the three sectors equal to 77 centimeter square. तीनों सेक्टर का एरिया ऐड करना था, तब पता चलता है एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर्स. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ABCD is a trapezium of area 24.5 centimeter square. In it AD parallel to the BC. फिगर दिया हुआ है in which AD parallel to the BC and angle DAB equal to 90 degree. If AD equal to 10 centimeter and BC 4 centimeter. If ABE is a quadrant, ABE is a quadrant of a circle. Find the area of shaded region. ये इस रीजन का एरिया निकालना है, दिस शेडेड रीजन. इट मीन्स एरिया ऑफ शेडेड रीजन इक्वल टू एरिया ऑफ ट्रेपेजियम माइनस एरिया ऑफ क्वाड्रेंट. एरिया ऑफ ट्रेपेजियम और एरिया ऑफ क्वाड्रेंट निकालने के लिए हमको क्या चाहिए? रेडियस ऑफ द क्वाड्रेंट और द हाइट ऑफ द ट्रेपेजियम इक्वल टू द रेडियस ऑफ द क्वाड्रेंट. द एरिया ऑफ ट्रेपेजियम दिया हुआ है. द एरिया ऑफ ट्रेपेजियम इक्वल टू क्या होगा? 1/2 sum of parallel side AD plus BC into height. Height it means AB equal to area of trapezium 24.5 centimeters. Now put the values AD equal to 10, BC equal to 4 into AB. AB equal to 2 into 24.5 and divided by 10 plus 4 40. Cancel 7. 7 3s are 21, 7 5s are 35. It means AB equal to 3.5 centimeter. AB is the radius of the quadrant. It means radius of quadrant equal to 3.5 centimeter. Now area of shaded region. Area of trapezium minus area of quadrant. Area of trapezium is 24.5 दिया हुआ है. Area of quadrant is 1/4 pi r square. Pi r square means 3.5 or we can write 7/2 7/2. 3.5 को क्या लिख सकते हैं? 7/2. कैंसिल 7 2 से 11. नाउ 24.5 माइनस 77/4. 77/4 is 77/8, not the 4. 4 2s are 8. Now 24.5 minus 77/8 is 9.625. नाउ सब्ट्रैक्ट 24.5. यहाँ 2 जीरो ऐड करके सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे 14.875. दिस इज द एरिया ऑफ शेडेड रीजन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. इन द फिगर आर शोन 2 आर्क्स PAQ and PBQ. Arc PAQ is a part of the circle with center O. PAQ का center O and the radius OP. While arc PBQ is a semicircle drawn on the PQ as a diameter. इस semicircle का PQ diameter है और इस semicircle का O center है. With center M. If OP and PQ equal to 10 centimeter, OP is 10 and PQ equal to 10. Show that area of the shaded region is 25 √3 minus pi by 6. Okay. The area of shaded region equal to the area of semicircle minus area of the segment. This segment. Area of semicircle minus area of segment. And area of segment equal to theta by 360 into pi r square minus 1/2 r square sin theta. Okay, this side 10 centimeter, this is also 10 centimeter radius, and PQ equal to 10 centimeter. So OPQ is an equilateral triangle. OP equal to OQ equal to PQ. Therefore, triangle OPQ is an equilateral triangle. Area of triangle equal to root 3 by 4 into side square. Area of shaded region equal to area of semicircle PMQB minus area of segment PAQM. Area of semicircle equal to 1 by 2 pi r square minus segment is theta by 360 into pi r square. It means area of sector theta by 360 into pi r square minus area of equilateral triangle. It means root 3 by 4 into side square. Now put the value. 1 by 2 pi r square. R is the radius of this semicircle. 10 is the diameter, therefore radius is 5. 1 by 2 minus theta by 360. Theta is 360 degree by 360 degree minus into pi r square, r is 10 minus root 3 by 4 into side square means 10 into 10. Now solve. 25 by minus 6 3 5 50 by 3 pi minus plus root 3 by 4 10 square, it means it will 25 root 3. Now take LCM 2 and 3. 2 3 is 6. 3 2 is 6. 2 into 50 100. Now arrange 25 root 3 आगे कर देंगे minus 25 pi by 6. You have to prove root 3 minus pi by 6. Take 25 common, root 3 minus pi by 6. Hence proof. यही लाना था हमको 25 root 3 minus pi by 6. ओके इसमें क्या किए थे कि इस सेगमेंट का रेडियस 10 था और इस सेक्टर यहाँ का रेडियस 5 लिए हैं. Question number 7. In a figure, a circle is inscribed in an equilateral triangle ABC of side 12 cm. The sides equal to 12 centimeters. Okay. Find the radius of the central angle. Find the radius of the inscribed circle and the area of the shaded region. इस सर्किल का रेडियस बतानी है हमको. दिस इज द आर रेडियस एंड एरिया ऑफ शेडेड रीजन. तो हम जानते हैं कि टेंजेंट पर रेडियस हमेशा क्या होती है? परपेंडिकुलर. वी हैव टू फाइंड द रेडियस ऑफ दिस सर्किल. नाउ जॉइन ओ बी ओ सी एंड ओ ए. दिस इज द O. Now area of equilateral triangle ABC equal to area of triangle OAB plus OBC plus OCA. यहाँ से हमको रेडियस मिलेगी एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ABC equal to area of triangle AOB, area of triangle BOC, and area of triangle AOC. Area of triangle ABC, it is an equilateral triangle. The formula of equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 into side square. Area of triangle AOB, AOB means 1 by 2 base into height. It means 1 by 2 12 into OA. It means radius. हाइट क्या हो जाएगी इस ट्राइंगल की? रेडियस. 1 by 2 into 12 into r. And the same base of all the triangles is 12 and height is radius. And third 1 by 2, 12 into r. Now cancel 6 and 6. 6r plus 6r plus 6r in means 18r. और यहाँ पर 12 3 जा 36 root 3. It means radius is cancel by 18. The radius is 2 root 3 centimeter. This is the radius of the circle. And find the area of shaded region. Area of shaded region is area of triangle ABC minus area of circle. Area of triangle ABC is root 3 by 4 into side square minus area of circle means pi r square. Pi means 3.14. Radius is 2 root 3. 4 3s are 12. 12 3s are 36 into, put the value of root 3 is 1.73 minus 3.14 into 4 into 3. 2 2 ja 4, root 3 into root 3 is 3. Okay. Now solve. You will get the 62.28 minus 37.68. 24.6 centimeter square. Area of the shaded region is 24.6 centimeter square. Question number 8. Find the area of the shaded region of the given figure, where ABCD is a square of side 10 centimeter and the semicircles are drawn with each side of the square as diameter. The side of the 10 centimeter. Area of the shaded region. The area of the design is area of 4 semicircles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Area of 4 semicircles minus area of the square. Now diameter of the semicircles is 10 centimeter. This is the side of the square. This is the diameter of the semicircle. And radius equal to 5 centimeter. Okay. And side of the square is 10. Area of shaded region equal to area of 4 semicircles minus area of square. Okay. The area of 4 semicircles means 4 into half of pi r square minus area of square is side into side. Now put the values to cancel. 2 into pi, value of 3.14. R is the radius, 5 into 5. Minus area of square is 10 into 25 to the 50. 50 into 3.14 minus 100. 157 minus 100. 57 centimeter square. Question number 9. ABCD is a square with side 2 root 2 centimeter and inscribed in a circle. ABCD is a square inscribed in a circle. Find the area of the shaded region. Find the area of the shaded region. The area of the shaded region is area of circle minus area of square. The side of the square is 2 root 2 centimeter. 2 root 2 centimeter. Now find the AC is the diagonal. Square angle be equal to 90 degree. The diagonal of the square is the diameter of the circle. Okay. Now side AB equal to 2 root 2 centimeter. Angle B equal to 90 degree because the angle of a square. Now AC square equal to AB square plus BC square by using Pythagoras theorem. 2 root 2 whole square plus 2 root 2 whole square. 2 to the 4 to the 8 plus 8 16. Now AC equal to root 16 is 4. Okay. Now this is the diameter. 4. The diameter of the circle is 4 centimeter. Then radius equal to 2 centimeter. अब आराम से निकल जाएगा एरिया ऑफ शेडेड रीजन. एरिया ऑफ शेडेड रीजन क्या हो जाएगा? एरिया ऑफ सर्कल माइनस एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर. एरिया ऑफ सर्किल होता है पाई आर स्क्वायर. पाई का कोई वैल्यू नहीं दिया हुआ है तो हम लोग ले सकते हैं 22/7 पाई आर स्क्वायर. आर स्क्वायर मीन्स रेडियस ऑफ द सर्किल इज 2 and area of square equal to 2 root 2 into 2 root 2. Okay. 2 to the 4. 4 to the 8. 88/7 minus 2 to the 4 to the 8. 88/7 minus 7 8 ja 56 by taking LCM. 32/7. 7 4 ja 28. You can convert into the decimal. 7 4 ja 28. 40. 7 5 ja 35. 4.56 centimeter square. Just we have to find the diagonal hypotenuse of the square. This is the diameter of the circle. The diameter we get radius and area of circle minus area of square. This is the area of shaded region. Last question number 10. Find the area of the shaded region. एक इस तरीके का फिगर बना हुआ है. The square है, side is 14 centimeter. अब हमको क्या निकालना है? एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर माइनस एरिया ऑफ दिस ब्लैंक स्पेस. अब ब्लैंक स्पेस के एरिया के लिए हमको क्या करना पड़ेगा? इसको समझना पड़ेगा अच्छे से. दिस इज ए स्क्वायर एंड दीज 4 सेमी सर्कल. ये बीच में क्या दी हुई है? डिजाइन. अगर स्क्वायर में से इस डिजाइन का एरिया माइनस कर देंगे तो एरिया ऑफ शेडेड रीजन. अब टोटल दिस इज 14 है. 3 इधर से गया, 3 इधर से गया, तो टोटल यहां से यहां तक की लाइन कितना बचेगी? 8 सेंटीमीटर. ओके. 13 14 माइनस 6 8. अगर यहाँ 8 है तो साइड ऑफ द स्क्वायर इज 4. दिस साइड इज 2. The radius of the semicircle is 2 centimeter and side of the square is 4. तो निकालेंगे एरिया ऑफ डिजाइन. जो बीच में डिजाइन बनी हुई है उसका एरिया क्या हो जाएगा? एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर प्लस एरिया ऑफ 4 सेमी सर्कल्स. तो स्क्वायर का एरिया क्या हो जाएगा? 4 इंटू 4 और 4 सेमी सर्कल 4 इंटू 1/2 पाई आर स्क्वायर. पाई इज 22/7. आर स्क्वायर इज 2 इंटू 2 2 ज़ा 4. 16 प्लस 4 4 जा 16 and 4 into 1 by 2 pi r square. तो 16 plus 176 by 7. 7 6 जा 42, 4 112 plus 176 by 7. This is 6 and 2 8. 8 288 by 7 centimeter square. Now area of shaded region. Area of shaded region. Area of square. Area of square is 14 into 14 minus area of design is 288 by 7. 288 by 7. Now solve 196. 196 is 7 is 1372. Now subtract 1084 by 7 centimeter square. Now you can convert in the mixed number. 7 1 ja 7, 38, 7 5 ja 35, 34, 7 4 ja 28 centimeter square. These are the 10 questions, important question. You can practice for board examinations.